we tend to find people who are younger, who really did save up to buy that jewelry. They really care about protecting that jewelry. They probably don't think about, regular maintenance and checking the prongs and the valuation changing, the market changing, and things like that. So one of the things that we try and educate people with, well, first off, when they actually apply, they do schedule the items. They do need a current appraisal within the last 2 to 3 years. And then, from that point forward, that jewelry is probably going to appreciate. Chances are if it goes down, it'll still bounce back. Most people actually don't go in for regular maintenance. That's one of the biggest losses we have, is a loose diamond, for instance, falling out of an earring. And that's because they haven't properly maintained it. They haven't gotten it cleaned. Part of the cleaning process, they're going to check the prongs. They're going to tighten the prongs. In the long run, they're going to have fewer losses potentially if they take proper care of their jewelry. Most people don't. Most people have jewelry, they stick it in a box somewhere or a safe deposit box somewhere. They don't think about it, or they wear it a lot and they don't think about cleaning it and maintaining it. But one of the things that we do see and we do encourage people to do is to get an appraisal every few years, because the last thing you want to be is underinsured on something that's very important. They really want it protected, and they need to make sure that the valuations are correct, because if something were to happen and they were greatly underinsured, then they're out a lot of money if they want to replace that item.